Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Hyundai i10. So this is a one-owner vehicle that's done less than 17,000 miles. It comes with DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, there's air conditioning, and you also get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or arranging a time to view the vehicle at the dealership. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.